Hello, YouTube. So, meet Faith. This is the second new cat that I got. First there was Buddy, who died shortly after I got Freddy. And by the way, look at how big Freddy got in a short amount of time. Freddy is about the size Buddy was when he died. When I first got Freddy, shortly before Buddy died, he was much smaller, but now he's certainly got bigger in a short amount of time. And here's Faith, this little kitten. Female kitten. Freddy, he's a boy cat, obviously. Faith is a girl kitten, about 7 to 8 weeks old, about now, as of this recording. At first they were kind of fighting, and they still do a little bit, but they get used to each other eventually. They're fighting for the food right now. In this episode of Cat Food Wars, Freddy versus Faith. Who will win the Cat Food Wars? Stay tuned for the next episode. This is gonna be a very suspenseful Cat Food Wars. You'll just be at the edge of your seat, wondering what's gonna happen next. So far it looks like this big fat cat is winning. Freddy is quite a bit bigger. There's enough food for both of them though, and water too. I actually use a filter. Never mind how much dried pancake mix shit is on this counter. This filter works pretty well for filtering out any contaminants out of the tap water. That's what I give them for their water. I sure go through it pretty quickly. Right, Freddy? Right, Freddy? Hey. 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 Plenty of bags for them to jump in. Empty paper bags, which I use for garbage. I get them at the grocery store. I save them for garbage. I put that inside of a garbage bag, inside of a trash can. At first they had a little bit of an issue with getting along, but it didn't take too long for these cats to get along. See, this is what they do. I mean, Freddy probably feels almost like a parent. He's like, I gotta watch over this little mischievous little shit. Where did it even go? There it is. Like I was saying, this one especially likes the bags. Faith. And this one just likes to eat because he's a big fat cat. I can't really blame him. I like to eat too. I mean, if this were an actual cat battle or war, I'm pretty sure Freddy would win because he's significantly bigger and stronger than Faith. I mean, smaller cat, Faith, likes to mess with him, but you could tell he's clearly much bigger and stronger. There's been times where he could even just like stomp on the smaller cat. So it looks like what he's about to do now. Maybe. I've seen him do that before. He just like step right on Faith. And that's a lot of weight for a much smaller cat. But then again, Faith is asking for it, so. I mean, they gotta have something to do other than eat, sleep, shit, drink, pee. Well, not drink, pee, but you know what I mean. Drink, comma, and pee. Eat, sleep, shit. And they're stuck inside all day unless I give them a walk, like I did with Buddy. This is domestic violence involving cats. Call the cat police. There's domestic violence involving 2 cats. What is it, Freddy? What is it? What's going on? Well, thank you for watching. Today's video, this one's kind of a short one. Cats being cats, fighting over food, fighting for the sake of it, but in a playful manner. Because they live together and they have nothing better to do, because they're cats. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I haven't made one in a while, like 2 to 3 weeks ago was my last one. Figured it was about time, what the heck, why not? So stay tuned for whenever I make another video. Will it be Cat Wars Part 2? Maybe I should do it in descending chronological order, the way the Star Wars series did it. Cat Wars Part 5. The first one is the 5th one. I don't know. You know, it's kind of like the cats have nothing better to do, but neither do I. That's why I'm recording them. I'm going to be going to my new job pretty soon, in a couple hours. I work 3rd shift now. That little one is a sneaky little bastard. I mean, Faith is sneaky, but Freddy's much bigger and stronger. I don't know why Faith even bothers trying to fight him. Just for shits and giggles, why not? The same reason I'm recording this video. Well, you keep starting shit with him, Faith. I mean, how do you expect Freddy to react? You know, this is fight training for cats. This is the Cat Fight Club, I don't know. Imagine if there were bets being placed on this kind of thing. My bet would be on Freddy. Anyways, stay tuned for maybe part 2 or whatever video I make next, whenever I make another one, if I make another one. Other than that, have a good day or night, or afternoon or morning, or whatever the case may be. Bye until the next one.